Designs by default are centered in the hoop, and when they are sent to the machine, the designs are placed in the center of the hoop. Newer machines support off-center design positioning so that when a design is brought into the machine, it doesn't have to go to the center of the hoop. To enable this in the software, right-click on Show Hoop and check the manual hoop position, and click OK and activate the template. I'm going to move the design by selecting it and using the down arrow key so that it's positioned right below the center of the hoop. Next, I'll go to Design, Auto Start and End, and in this case, I want to align the design at the top center. So for the start needle position, I'm going to have it auto start at the top center, the end needle position also at the top center, and click OK. This design now is ready to be saved and sent to the machine by clicking on the Write to Card machine. At the machine, go to Settings, Embroidery Settings, and center the design, and make sure it is turned to On. Select the design, and you'll notice that the design is positioned the way we sent it from the software. I'm going to go back to Auto Start and End, and you can notice that you can set the design to start at any number of positions. The upper left corner, the upper right, the lower right, the lower left, or any of the midpoints. In all cases, this is going to be set in Design Auto Start and End, and you'll place the dots where you want them and then move the design within the hoop. Keep in mind that this doesn't change where the actual stitching starts and stops, but just where the needle is positioned when the design is first sent to the machine. If you wish to set the design at the first stitch, you can also do this in Auto Start and End, and I would select the first stitch of the design and the end needle position at the last stitch of the design and click OK. I'll right-click on Show Hoop, reactivate automatic centering, and check at the start needle position and go OK. You'll notice that the design has moved so that it will start stitching at the center of the hoop at the start of the design. If I wish to center this design, I can right-click on the hoop icon and uncheck at start needle position and click on OK, and it will go back to the center of the hoop. You can use this feature to align designs the way you want them to align within the hoop when sent to the machine.